May laway na. Tingnan natin, guys. Guys, si Tony Fowler na to. Shout out Tony Fowler. Patingin. So guys, sabi niya another 3 minutes. Ready ka pa sa another 3 minutes? Oo. Okay guys, stop muna namin to kasi magta-timer muna kami. Like for part 2. Like for part 2. Lakanula.